Alrighty, folks. Some cool bluffage. Whoa. A little bit of bluffage here. Looks like some cool stuff up ahead. Well, howdy, folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. And right now we are on a very, very rocky hillside going up Barker's Bluff, which is located, I guess it'd be Hardin County, near Cave and Rock. No man's land. And no trails. We're just going for this bluff to check it out. So that's the goal. See what the bluff looks like, follow it, and enjoy. But we're not alone. There's some folks down there doing measurements for natural heritage stuff. So there you go. All right, really cool little shelter-like thing here. All right, folks, here's a cool little feature. Looks like someone built a little wall thing in there. Take a picture?
No, not yet.
All right. You go ahead.
No, go ahead, because I'm getting back.
All right. Alright. Pretty neat. A wall down there. Alright, folks. Really cool area here. Like that little natural table. It's about the end of our journey before it goes into private. So, pretty cool little ending. Alrighty, folks, making our way down to a lower level, so it's easier to walk back. We've pretty much hiked to the edge of the private public boundary, and so Onyx Hunt shows me this is all national forest land, but there's nature preserve signs for Illinois, so that tells me I do believe it's all Illinois state, and I think it's just a mishap on the map, because I do believe I've seen Barker Bluff on the state website. So pretty cool little area, probably best to visit during winter, something like that, just so you could see everything. We've been really cautious about timber rattlesnakes because they are in this county, and we haven't seen any snakes, so, but we try to be cautious anyway, because they would love this area.